Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're taking a look at a couple products, well actually the same product in two different scents. This is OZIUM, and this is something that I have been using by necessity only because I couldn't find Lysol. Now I'm trying to use this in the same way that I would use this certain Lysol product, this aerosol product, and maybe this will be doing what I want it to do in my situation. As you know, a lot of cleaning products, sanitizers in particular, have been out of stock and have been very hard to find, but this is something that I found at my local Walgreens. Let me just see if you can see this here. This is OZIUM, this is air sanitizer. And this was kept by the same place where Febreze and Glade and all those other non-sanitizing products were. If you go to the Lysol area for any kind of those cleaners, they were already cleaned out, and they regularly are cleaned out. But I don't believe people realize that this can be used for something that's not just non-deodorizing. Now, what they have it here is if you use Febreze, if you use anything like that, that's just supposed to deodorize an area, maybe a bathroom, maybe a kitchen, maybe something like that. But this one caught my eye, and just to be frank, I may be using this in the wrong way, but I tried to do my best looking into this particular product to seeing what it could do, and as far as I can tell, it does what it says it does here. It's an air sanitizer, cleans the air you breathe, eliminates smoke and malodors. And let's see if you can look at the active ingredients on the front here. If you want to take a look and see if they do anything, you are more than welcome to as well. Here's the back. You can pause to get this. There's a lot of information that you could be checking out here. But this comes in two different scents and two different sizes. This is the first one that I found. This is a vanilla that comes in 3.5 ounces, and this is a regular for 8 ounces. And the prices are, I believe it's $7.99 or 2 for $14. This is 2 for $16 or $8.99. So this is a much better deal than this. This is double the size of this, and you get so much more for a much better price. So just off the bat, this does eliminate odors. So if you're looking for something that just eliminates odors, this does the trick. If something smells, like if I left trash, something smelling in the trash can, you spray it in there, it just negates the odor. So whatever they do for odors, that does really well. But because this is a sanitizer, what I've begun doing, and what I was looking for originally, is when I get home, I have hand sanitizer, wipes, and I was looking for Lysol to keep by the door to spray in that general area in front of my door, just to get everything out of the way as I as I leave my home and come back from the home. And what I've been doing instead is using this just in that general area. At the beginning, I was using too much because what you're supposed to do is shake this up very well and then spray for 1 second in the center of the room. Literally what I was doing is kind of going around the door frame, going on the door, just sanitizing everything in a huge way. And I was using way too much, and I was also using the scent that I don't recommend. This is the vanilla. It's very vanilla. Even for somebody who's okay with vanilla like me, it's really, really strong, and I wouldn't recommend getting this unless it's the only option. But just in the way I was engulfing that space, I'd like to think that I am kind of getting away these airborne materials. I'm using the hand sanitizer, I'm using the wipes, I'm just looking for something to finish that kind of cleansing of an area in general, because I know things are going to be traveling on my hands, things are going to be traveling on my clothes. I'm hoping that just spraying this maybe at 1 second or a little bit over in front of the doorway will kind of help just cover everything in a sanitizer, because any little thing helps here. Now, again, if I'm using this in the wrong way, please let me know, because at this point, just like everybody, we're grasping at straws. We're looking for things that could possibly help. So again, what I'm using this for is not exactly what it's for. It's mostly for odors, but it does clean the air, and it is a sanitizer. So we're just going to give this a try. And if you see this, give this a try too. Here's this official ways for using it. Directions for use: shake well, spray for 1 second towards center of a room, away from drapes, walls, plastic, vinyl, painted, varnished surfaces, etc., to temporarily reduce airborne bacteria in an average room size of 10 foot by 14 foot by 8 foot. Repeat application several times daily. Treat average size rooms twice with 1 second sprays for smoke and malodor control caused by airborne bacteria. Do not spray directly on people, pets, beverages, food preparation areas, or painted or varnished surfaces. If droplets form on surfaces, wipe away immediately. Now there are cautions here. May cause mild eye irritation. Avoid contact with eyes or clothing. Wear protective eyewear when using this. I personally don't, but if you use it in a little bit of a spray, that should be fine. The way I was using it was way too much at the beginning because I didn't know better. I was trying to engulf the place. Additionally, wash thoroughly with soap and water after handling or before eating, drinking, chewing gum, using tobacco, or using the toilet. Remove and wash contaminated clothing before use. First aid, basically, if in eyes, hold eye open and rinse slowly and gently with water 15 to 20 minutes. Remove contact lenses if present after the first 5 minutes, then continue eye rinsing. If on skin, take off contaminated clothing and rinse skin with plenty of water. So this is definitely not for spraying on your hands. This is not that kind of sanitizer at all. Just in general, what I'm doing is a quick spray above the door frame. Again, after I've used hand sanitizer, after I've used a wipe to kind of get the doorknob. This is just something that I would like to see as closing this out. So if this is the only thing you have, I would imagine it's not going to do much because it's going to sanitize the air because everything is already on your person. This is just something that closes it out. Again, if I am misusing this in the worst possible way, please let me know. But as just part of the coming and going from the home, I think it's something that would be acceptable to use, considering that this is a sanitizer and it does mention killing bacteria multiple times on the back. Alright guys, so this has been Matt for Creative, and we've been taking a look at OZIUM, the air sanitizer that comes in an original, which kind of just smells like clean, and vanilla, which smells extremely like vanilla. And don't forget, when you use it, shake it up well and just do about a 1 second spurt, and then you should be fine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. If you have any questions or want to begin a dialogue, you can put that in the comments section below. And if you can like or applaud the video, that helps out so much. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell button because I'm making tons of content. There's reviews of products, there's political content, there's walks around in Manhattan, and I'll be trying to bring you that every single day. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.